Irish dance lovers, welcome to the next Irish dance series. And today I want to invite you into the jig world. So we're gonna dance to the jig rhythm. As far as I'm concerned, and from my experience, I see more dancers, especially shamus dancers, dancing to the real time. And that's so sad because jigs for me are very beautiful, and it will be really nice to see more jiggers around. That's why I encourage you to check out some ideas that I give you in this video. At the very beginning I'm explaining what's jig actually, because I think that it's really important to know the music structure of the tune, to dance it better and to be more aware of what rhythm we can put into it. And then I'm giving you some simple patterns that you can use in your jig routines and improvisations. Yeah, what else can I say? I wish you beautiful time jigging around and lots of inspirations taken from this video, and yeah, have fun!
Let's dig at some music theory. Jig is a type of Irish tune which is played in 6/8 measure. That means that in each bar of the music there is a place for 6/8 notes. You can see it clear in the chart. We have 4 bars here. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very often you can feel that they are somehow joined in group of 3s. So we can count jig also like 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. But actually, numbers are not the best way to count it. It's not super comfortable. So I prefer to use words. For example, bicycle, 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 bicycle. Or just some syllables that I find nice. For example, tikiti takata, tikiti takata, tikiti takata, tikiti takata. You can also find your own way to getting into this particular groove. Now please look into notes of one jig melody. I love its title, by the way. As you can see, it has 2 parts, A and B. Each part has 8 bars. If you look through all bars carefully, it is clear that each of them contains either 6/8 notes or sometimes 4/8 notes and 1/4 note, which equals 2 8 notes, so everything is still correct. The most common structure for playing Irish tunes in general is AABB. That means that musicians play part A 2 times and then part B 2 times. Each part contains 8 bars, so we have 4 times 8 bars, what gives 32. And this AABB structure is normally repeated few times in a row, 2, 3, or even 4. After that, musicians go smoothly into the next tune and do exactly the same. What is important from dancers' point of view? If you are aware of these structures, you are slightly more prepared for what's coming next, even if you don't know the tune that is being played. Also, part A and B has usually quite different melody, vibe, quality, and being sensitive to these differences helps you to put more authentic or connected interpretation on the tune. Before we start learning the steps, take your time to become comfortable with jig rhythm. We will do simple walking to the very slow and peaceful jig music. You can use flat feet or balls of your feet. In the first round, we want to step only on the first sound of each bar. That means that while dancing 8 bars of the music, we will make only 8 sounds. In the second round, we will add additional sound on 4 in the middle of each bar. The number of sounds will double, giving 16. In the third round, we will step on every beat of the bar. So we will do 8 times 6 sounds, what gives 48 sounds. After that, make some simple improvisation by mixing different measures. Make the jig groove integrate not only with your brain, but also with the whole body. In Real Serious, we've learned so-called Connemara step. There is also a jig version of it. Let's start simple by repeating a basic pattern: step, heel, step. Now try without any pause between. Make it comfortable, loose, and clear. Now I will show you the jig Connemara step pattern. Watch carefully and try to join me. To break it down: step, heel, step, step, bang. Attention, the last bang doesn't take your weight. Compare it with this version. No, we don't want to do that. Your foot, after creating the bang sound, goes off the floor. Look one more time. And now a bit faster. We can also extend Connemara step, making 3 step heel step patterns instead of 1. Figure it out. Actually, you can choose how many times you want to do the step, heel, step. Maybe 2 is also interesting. Or you feel like extending it even more. Scrutinize the possibilities. One more possibility to enrich jig Connemara is to add additional heel where we had a small pause in the rhythm. To make it easier, practice for a while only step heels. Now put one more heel to Connemara pattern. Step, heel, step, bang. Step, heel, step, bang. Step, heel, step, bang. Step, heel, step, bang. A bit faster. And now mix 2 versions of Connemara step, with and without pause. After exploring so many Connemara options, let's shuffle a bit. We will start simple by doing step shuffles. Some dancers shuffle only with balls of their feet and do brush front and brush back. But if you want to experiment with the sound quality, you can also check shuffling using your heel. I'll do the first version here. Let's shuffle together for a while. We can shuffle only with one leg. I prefer using heel drops between such shuffles. But if you feel like, you can also do small jumps. Now look carefully. We do step shuffle, step shuffle, step shuffle, heel. Why not making just single shuffles with heel drops? And then, of course, we can mix triple combinations with the single ones.